Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check how many hours you use your iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you want to see how much time you spend on your iPhone, what you can do is click on the Settings app and then scroll down and select Battery. From here, if you just scroll down again to the battery settings, you can see we'll have this overview of exactly how much time we spend on our iPhone. So this is my current 24-hour view. You can see that I've used my phone for 19 hours and 15 minutes in the last 24 hours. You can also change this to the last 10 days, and then you'll get an average screen time over the last 10 days. So if I click through each of the days, you can see exactly how much time you're spending on your iPhone each of the days. Then, if you scroll down to battery usage and click on Show Activity, you'll also be able to see a breakdown of exactly where you spend that time, which applications you use the most. Another way we can check this as well is just by heading back over to the Settings page. Scroll down and select Screen Time. As long as you have Screen Time turned on, this is another place that you'll be able to see a breakdown of how much time you spend on your iPhone. So that's basically how you can check how many hours you use your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.